guys, welcome back to Island Vbe Cooking. Today's video, we will be trying KFC new chicken and waffle. This is my first time actually trying chicken and waffles together. I'm excited to try it. And this video is a collaboration with Winnie. She does mukbang as well. I will leave her channel link down below. She will be doing a mukbang, a fried chicken mukbang. So check the link down below to go watch her video. She does lots of mukbang videos and she's very consistent. So if you want to see lots of brand new mukbang, go subscribe to her channel. Let her know Rose from Island Vbe Cooking sent you. So yeah, I am very excited to try this, you guys. I've never ever tried chicken and waffles before, which is why I'm so excited. And by the way, it's raining. If you hear anything, that's probably why, because it's raining. It's not thundering, but it's raining. I am excited. Yes, you guys. So we're going to get started. I have syrup here, butter, syrup. So I'm gonna try the waffle first. I'm gonna try it by itself first, and I'm gonna try the chicken to see how it tastes together. But I'm excited, you guys, because I haven't eaten. Is that it? I guess I don't have a knife, but no knife. Let's try this. It's good. Tastes like donut. Just like a donut. It's good. It's good. Wow. Wow. I like it. Okay. They give me a thigh and a drumstick. I'm gonna try this, and I'm gonna try it together and see how it tastes. I know that chicken always good, so there's no doubt about that. Put some hot sauce on it. I'm thinking they was gonna give me two, but it's only one. I was gonna try to make a sandwich because it says chicken and waffles. I'm thinking I'll be able to make a sandwich. I don't know. I'm gonna mix it together and see how it tastes, okay? Gonna mix the waffle. That's a big piece. Let me just try this. Just like that. Can't believe they didn't give me a knife. Wow. Okay, we're going to try this piece with the waffle. So it's gonna be like sweet and savory. I don't know if that's how you eat it, but I'm gonna try it. Here we go. Wow. It's good, but I like hot sauce on my chicken, like the song says. So I'm gonna add some hot sauce on it. Wow. Chicken's so good. I really wish I had a knife, but I don't feel like getting up to go get it, so we're gonna eat like a savage today. Wow. Best part. So many flavors. It's good. But I like the waffles. It's good too. It reminds me of donut. I'm gonna eat it before everything else because it's sweet. We eating like a savage today, okay? Wow. When you eat, do you eat the bones? I don't eat the bones, but I'll take every little meat of that bone. Especially they don't give me a lot. This is good. We're eating like a savage today. I'm telling you. The waffles are really good. So, I recommend it. It was so soft when I first got it. Still is, but it's not like it's hard or anything. This is good. I like. Yeah, I get every meat off the bone. See? That's how you eat chicken. Yeah, I'm about to eat this. I really try not to eat it, but it's good. It's sweet, that's why. Look at that meat. This is good. Oh my gosh. Am I the only one? Even pancakes? I don't like adding too much butter. Not butter. Syrup on my pancakes because oh shoot. You got hot sauce all over. Because I don't like sugar like that. I do, but not a lot. Especially on my pancakes and stuff. With cakes, I don't like lots of icing on it. Almost like ice cream. Yeah, if it's too sweet, it's like, I need water or something. Wow. That's good. I needed this. Guess what? It stopped raining. Stop raining, you guys. Bones. This was good. This was delish. Wow. Oh my gosh. All done. Wow. I actually finished my food. It was enough. I want more. Wow. It was good. Wow. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Be sure you go to Wannie's channel down below. Subscribe, tell her I sent you. And I do not forget about the shout outs, you guys. I will be doing it on my next mukbang. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next mukbang.